Okay, new short time. Today we're gonna do the sneak peek. Yeah. There's a Stamford Express recently to Stamford Road. This does seem pretty normal until you realize that it's 11 coaches. So we're gonna be getting an 11 coach train, which everyone was saying we will get because of the car markers. And that is true. And also that train looks not familiar, so it could be a new train. I have no idea what train that is, but it could be a new train. So yeah, just this is literally the sneak peek. That's it.